Well, welcome to FyiPark.com. Today we're going to go over a tutorial on the host calendar in which we can adjust dates as well, block off dates or adjust pricing on specific dates, basically on a demand-based way. So basically let's get started. So here's your stalls, and then this is what you log into right from the get-go is your main dashboard, and your host calendar is right up here. So it's not managed listing is where we create the generic pricing, of course, over all days. But what you want to look at too is go to the host calendar. From there, you can see your listings here. As if you had more than one listings, you could toggle back and forth, adjusting rates and blocking off days for specific locations or stalls. So in this case, we will go to look at the weekends, and this is today's date. This is the past. Now, as a kind of first look at down the whole calendar, you'll see that the pricing is on the specific days or through here, and this what you'll notice here is that I've changed the pricing for the weekend for $30 as opposed to $20, which is my regular rate. Say it's a weekend, say I have an RV site, or if it's an event on the weekend, on the specific weekend, I maybe have more demand. Alternatively, say it's also a downtown area perhaps, and it's actually this demand is kind of soft during the weekends. So to maybe create more demand, I actually, in this case, would want to drop the price. So to get started, actually what you do is you depress until it's highlighted by clicking the mouse. However, if you're on a tablet or phone, you would just use your finger and press on that particular day until it's highlighted. And as you can see, you can drag throughout a full series of days. In this case, I'm just going to drag right to the weekend, and then I'm going to release or unclick or release the mouse, or just release my finger off the tablet. And we'll bring on the days there, and here is the pricing that we want to. So this is your generic pricing. So in this case, let's drop the price. We want to create more demand on this particular day, when that's usually a softer demand day. We click save. Now internally, I can see it's now changed to $15. Now what we can do is then, using the same module for, so say this weekend again, we can then, so say on this particular time though, we want to block off the days, because say we have friends or family, whatnot, coming on these specific days, or we feel that we can't use these days, reserve these days for anybody. So we just simply, using the same module, same process, but we do not available, and we save. Now you can see it's decreased the pricing on these specific days, and on these days it's blocked off my days, so people cannot reserve. So this is the 12th and the 13th, and then the 5th and 6th the prices dropped. So alternatively, let's go to my dashboard. This is what you log in, and this is what the your guests will see. What we want to draw our attention to is the reservation. Now, as you can see, these days are blocked. We can't reserve those days. Those are the days of the host calendar. Alternatively, let's say we want to go on this weekend, though. And you see that actually the prices drop, so they adjust the price. Say, well, there's $20. Oh, this is a better deal now. Oh, great. And they can request. So this is how you ultimately block days and adjust pricing for specific days. It's actually a pretty powerful feature. It's great, what we call yield management. It's what the hotels and airlines use, of course, but now you have the same power to adjust days, create demand, or take advantage of high demand days. If you have any other questions, simply go to our support and create a ticket or ask questions or see frequently asked questions, or you can also alternatively also go to our bot.